Hi there, Morgan with the Jas Oberoi Group. Welcome to our newest listing, 2678, Unit 81 on King George Blvd. This property is located in South Surrey, a very central location, close to restaurants, grocery stores, gyms, public transit, South Ridge, and Sunnyside Elementary. This newly renovated 1,200 square foot house has 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 9-foot ceilings, and a beautiful white and bright kitchen. Upstairs you'll find our 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Also another great feature, throughout the house there's all this great storage space. This cute little home also has 2 decks and a double car garage. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.